Hey guys, welcome back to the F7 track swap series. This week we got some different parts in. We're going to go ahead and share those with you. And it's in the mystery box. What's in the mystery box? Parts. So for those of you that are interested, stay tuned. We'll go ahead and share what we got. So for those of you that have been following along with the series here, you know that I have kind of a desire to keep this a secret. It's not going to stay that way, but we want to just surprise a couple of people, my brother in particular. So we're going to go ahead and take some of these parts out, and it's very used, and so finding parts for this particular snowmobile is just about impossible. And kits are not available. Part numbers are gone. It's just one of those things with an older sled, especially one with the base models don't come with the features that are desired in a lot of the modern sleds and stuff. So we're not doing electric start or anything, but we're doing something pretty fun. Anyways, this has been a desire of mine for several years, probably ever since I got the sled and I saw other people with it. It's been around forever. It's not something that normal people are going to do, and honestly, I don't even know if this kit's going to work, but we're going to try. I'm hoping everything is there to make it function, and so we're going to go ahead and throw it together and see what we can get. So for everybody playing along at home, we're going to go ahead and unbox this stuff now and show you what we got. So with no further delay, I would like to share with you a chain case. Nothing really too special about that, right? Chain case cover with a bunch of stuff hanging off of it, and a box. Inside the box, we got stuff that looks like it goes in a chain case. Some stuff with bearings, a spring. Hey, look, a chain for a chain case. More sprockets. Anybody know what it is yet? I bet you already guessed, huh? Well, this is going to be part of the new series. How to, or perhaps how not to, add reverse to your Firecat. So, I think we need to do some cleanup, get a lot of this crap off of here. It's absolutely filthy. And I'm not putting it on my sled like that. So we will see if we can get some of these parts cleaned up enough to make it worthy to go on, and maybe get a blown up diagram to figure out where in the world some of this is supposed to go. But yeah, that's going to be the new series here. Adding reverse to your Firecat with used parts from eBay. Should be fine. Should be fine.